Hey guys, welcome. My name is Mark with D7. Thanks for tuning in. So right now in the description of this video, there's a link to download raw videos taken straight from the Mavic 2 Pro so you can view them on your computer and check out the actual quality of the video taken by the Hasselblad camera. Alright, so in the download, there's 4K videos recorded in all three color styles, normal, HLG, and D-Log, and all three of those in both the H.264 codec and the newer, better H.265 codec. I also threw in a few hyperlapse and asteroid videos as well. Lastly, there's a few videos and photos taken at night for you to check out. Now, if you'd like a video with specific settings that aren't in the downloadable collection, just leave a comment below. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you found this video and the video downloads to be helpful. If so, then I appreciate you hitting that like button. Of course, I've got a lot more Mavic 2 and other drone videos coming up, so please subscribe. Happy flying guys. Bye.